Hi there, my name is Rishabh Singhal and today I'm going to solve the mathematics homework question 2. So here we go. So the given question is this: we have to find the integral over region R of cos y minus x over y plus x, where R is the trapezoidal region with these vertices. So if we look at the graph of this region, it's like here the vertices are 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 and 0 comma 2. So the region will be somewhat like this. But to make this integration a little simpler, we will use here the change of variables. So as suggested by the question, or we can see like we can take u is equal to y minus x and v is equal to y plus x. So if we solve for x and y, we get 2y. On adding these two equations, we get 2y is equal to u plus v. So y is equal to u plus v over 2. Similarly, if we put it in any of this equation, we get u is equal to u plus v over 2 minus x, and therefore x is equal to v minus u by 2. We know that for integrating this with these changed variables, we will have to find the image of this region R, which is in xy plane, in uv plane. So if we do that, in this graph we can see the equation of this line will be y is equal to minus x plus 1, and the equation of this line will be y is equal to minus x plus 2. So we can write it as x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 2. So if we have a look at the uv region, this is u1v. We can see for this a b, we have x is equal to 0. So if we put x is equal to 0 in any of this, we get u is equal to v. So if we construct u is equal to v, for bc we have x plus y is equal to 2. So if we put x plus y is equal to 2 in this equation, we get v is equal to 2. Let it be v is equal to 1 and v is equal to 2. For CD, we have y is equal to 0. If we put it in equation 1, we get u is equal to minus v. And lastly, for DA, we have x plus y is equal to 1. We put it in this equation, we get v is equal to 1. So our region is this in the UV plane, where this is v is equal to 1, v is equal to 2, this is u is equal to v, and u is equal to minus v. And also we can see the coordinates. These are 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, and minus 1 comma 1. So now our integration becomes integral over, let us name this new region as S. Integral over S region of cos u over v dot j into du dv. So now, as required, we will have to find its Jacobian, which is del x comma y over del u comma v is equal to determinant of del x over del u, del x over del v, del y over del u, del y over del v. So now this will be equal to, if we see del x over del u, it is minus 1 by 2, del x over del v is 1 by 2, del y over del u is 1 by 2, and del y over del v is also 1 by 2. So its determinant will be modulus of minus 1 by 2, which we can take as 1 by 2. So we can see now our integration becomes cos u over v to 1 by 2 du dv. We saw that our limits was u was ranging from minus v to v and v was from 1 to 2. We know that integration of cos u by v will be sin u by v into v, limits minus v to v, integral 1 over 2 dv, and 1 by 2 we can take outside. So now it becomes integral from 1 to 2 sin 1 minus sin minus 1 into v dv. We can also take this outside as 2 sin 1. So 2 will cancel each other. Sin 1 integral 1 over 2 v dv. Integration of v will be v square by 2. So sin 1 v square by 2 limits 1 to 2. It will be sin 1 into 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So our final answer will become 3 over 2 sin 1. Thank you.